Oh, so nice. It's not a bad way to start your unemployment, is it? Details are coming. Let's enjoy this a little bit longer, though. Ooh, zoom, zoom. I should be on one of those right now, but motor's broke, so I just get to sit here and enjoy the view. Nothing terrible. Not so terrible, honestly. So here's what's the deal. It's 4th of July weekend. Family and I are on vacation up at my in-laws' place up in northern Michigan. And it was a planned vacation. We were coming up over the holiday. And Monday, lunchtime, they just came in and said, yeah, we're laying people off. Company's got money trouble. So we're letting you go. That's it. That's it. And I was walking out the door. So, I'm a freelancer again, basically. You know, a few months ago I posted a video that says, man, I'm so busy, I've got all this stuff going on, I don't know if I have time to do this, I'm losing ideas on to put stuff up for you guys. Well, apparently now I have some more time. A little more time to do some more videos. Maybe a new adventure here. Maybe this is a sign that I'm supposed to start doing more of this, more photography, more voiceover work, and get my creative business up and running, which has kind of always been the dream, but never really had the time, family to support, health insurance, needed all that, but it's a little different situation this time. A little different attitudes this time around with this one. I've been fired before, but this one just feels different in conversations that are being had. So I'm going to go back and look at more of this. You want to enjoy that? Here, let's get some more like. More like. Can never have too much like. So when I say new attitudes, there's always been support in my family for me wanting to start a creative business. Started with the voiceover, starting with and the photography. But you know, I've always been the guy who's had the job that had the insurance or had a more stable income. And that allowed my wife to get into teaching, which she's absolutely passionate about, and I fully support her in that. You know, she's gone back to school and gotten certificates so she could do this. Now it's kind of shifting a little bit. She's made some comments. Says, okay, well, maybe I need to make an adjustment in my career path and find something that makes a little bit more money, and you know, give you a little more time to try to build these up, which is just fantastic. I love my wife so much. I love my entire family. They're so supportive through this because we were just so blindsided by this whole situation. Just, oh, more boats going by. I really want to be on boats. Maybe later this weekend. Where was I? Oh yeah, supportive. This time around's a little bit different. The last time was, oh my gosh, you got to get out there, you got to get another job, you got to get this, we need this, we need this, we need this. Even the shock, the value that this had, where we never saw it coming, has kind of put us in a different mind space, I think, this time. I think it's time we try to take more control for ourselves. It's kind of where a lot of this is coming from. So I think that's the path that we're starting on, but it's starting to get a little warm sitting in the golf cart, so I think maybe we just should head back up and find something in the shade. You know, that's one of the best things about being up here. You go from water to woods, just like that, everywhere you go. I used to live up here, and I could move back up here and live up here. I really could, if it wasn't so damn cold in the winter. And I don't like the snow anymore. but I love the summers in northern Michigan. So now I got to go play the Kid Rock song. There you go. Anyway, where I'm going with this whole thing is I'm going to try to get this channel back up and moving. I'm going to try to get back with you guys more often. And let's try a little harder to document this adventure, since I think for the next month or two the focus is going to be getting Keith Moore's creative truly underway. We'll have some photography, some video, and the voiceover, which is still continuing. I've still been doing that on the side. We're going to focus a little bit harder on getting that going too. But so thanks for your patience, for waiting for me to get back to you and get some more videos going here. I really appreciate you hanging around. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button. I promise I'm gonna stay a little bit longer this time. Well, I guess I promised that the last time. Everything's kind of a crapshoot, right? Hit the button, hit the bell so you get reminded or you get notified whenever something new goes up. And we'll see you in the next video. Maybe I'll even shoot some more stuff up here. And any luck, the boat will get fixed and we'll get some on the lake shots next time. Please. So, bye for now. Thanks for coming.